Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So there's a lot of stuff that goes on around here that we don't always get a chance to videotape. It's just mostly from me not being able to run out and check it out. But people are asking, hey, do you guys do solar and do you guys do lithium batteries and converters and inverters and all that kind of fun stuff? We do. And I wanted to show you that, here's about $5,000 in lithium batteries. Here's about, I think, $12,000 in lithium batteries, or maybe 14. There's solar panels. There's a bunch of Roadmaster stuff. There's another Go Power inverter for some of these that burned up. Here's a couple multi-plus 2s that are getting ready to go into a unit, and a whole box full of goodies. And then, we do a bunch of solar. So, here's a whole pallet full of solar. I think there's 11 panels on this. And then, we do a bunch of water heater upgrades as well. So anyways, this is kind of like just a little back behind the scenes of the inside of one of our buildings. We have a total of 3 technically. One of them over there that you see all the time in our videos, it's actually 2 addresses. And then I just want to talk about 2 while I'm in here. You see these red hubs? These are for the anti-lock brake systems. So we do a lot of axle replacements for people that get them bent or damaged. Of course, these pieces that are on the back that are painted green, that's for the anti-lock system. We got another one in the back here that's waiting as well for its owner to return. Sheet metal, awnings, different kind of stuff in the back. A lot of extra metal scrap stuff that we use. We do a lot of brakes and suspension works because people don't maintain them and come in and do their service like they should. So anyways, I just wanted to give you a quick little tour of the other building. Normally, these 3 racks have got cars and stuff in them, but lately, I don't know if motorhome sales have dropped or what, but we haven't been doing that many tow packages or hitches, which is kind of odd. It kind of comes and goes in waves, but we do have 2 above ground racks and 1 in ground lift for doing that type of work. So if you know anybody that needs a hitch installed, or in some cases, like if you've seen some of our other videos, if you haven't had your tow car behind your motorhome checked out in a while, we've had multiple tow cars that have came in that have had issues with the braking system, things that have frayed cables, broken, worn, pieces that come loose that weren't ever, Loctited or correctly torqued in place and whatnot. So just keep in mind, if it's been, say 4 or 5 years since you've had a tow package installed, you might want to come back and have us double check that. And there's something I'm getting rid of for the baby. She finally grew out of it. And these guys are out here working on a bunch of units. So, all right. Well, hey, stay tuned for more. And hope you like these videos. We're going to start doing a lot more tool videos as well, so you can see like what's in all the toolboxes, what kind of specialty stuff we use and whatnot. And we already did one with Gino just a little bit in one of our tool corral rooms. So, all right. Well, hey, thanks again for watching. This is Dustin, your RV Specialist, and you are inside the RV shop. Thanks again.